One of my subscribers asked me if I could make this same dishcloth and scrubby in regular sugar and cream yarn. She doesn't have this, but she's got balls of that. And I kind of showed a little bit how to do it on my other video with this one with regular yarn, but I'm going to honor her request and I'm going to do one. This is just a little short introductory to let her know that a video is on the way. Now the sugar and cream is the same as peaches and cream. It's just different parts of the country offer one and other parts of the country offer two. They come in two different sizes. This is a 2-ounce skein and they have a 3-ounce skein. This is a 3-ounce that I wound up. I'm going to make it from the 3-ounce skein to see how much I can get of this out of this one skein. So just go along with me for a while and be a little bit patient. I'm going to start working on the video right after I post this introductory. Thank you for watching.